Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Venmo to your bank account. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now there are a few things that you should be doing here before you could actually initiate a transfer. So first things first is you need to verify your bank account. So verifying your bank account is generally a good thing. So make sure that you verify your bank account first. But yeah, so after adding and verifying your bank account, you're now ready to proceed on making transfers. So you can utilize the Venmo app to transfer the money from your Venmo account to your bank account through either the standard or instant method. Now if you're on the Venmo app, navigate to the Me tab and then click the Add or Transfer button under the Wallet option. Now follow the steps to initiate the transfer. So from there, input or modify the amount you wish to transfer to your bank, select instant with a small fee or 1 to 3 business days with no fee, and choose your preferred bank account or debit card. Now from there, confirm your transfer details and click the green transfer button and you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.